Hey guys, it's Jen. Thanks for joining me today for a Friday haul. It's Friday, May 29th. Hope everybody's doing great. I have pretty small haul this week, but I did make some projects with them, so I thought I would show those as well. So the first thing I got was this nice, thick, soft yarn from Walmart, and it's looking kind of peach on my camera, but it's a very soft pink color. It's 100% acrylic, but it's very small or very soft, sorry. And it's called Providence Pink. And what I liked about it is that it's really thick and it has triple strands. And I was watching a video by Pretty Paper Things, which I'll link down below, but she has this great tutorial to make little cotton candy embellishments. And she used a yarn from Hobby Lobby that had like triple strands like this. Hers was multicolored, which it was really pretty, but this is all I could find. My Hobby Lobby, I think, is opening tomorrow, but I wanted to get started before I got there. So anyway, I got this, and let me show you the cute little projects I've made. These are the little cotton candy embellishments. Aren't they so cute? They're super easy. The tutorial is great. You just use what she used bamboo skewers for the sticks, which I do have, but I also had these on hand, so I wanted to try them out. And it's really fun. What you do is you take, I won't do a tutorial because obviously there's one already, but you take the yarn and like brush it or comb it so it's really, like frayed. This one obviously is not. I got some tape on there. But yeah, it looks like this. And then you just kind of wrap it around a stick and it turns into looking like cotton candy. So it's really simple to do, very fun. And then you can I used this spray glue that I got at Dollar Tree just to tap everything down. I used a little Fabri-Tac to start the yarn on the stick. And then on a couple of them, I used some glimmer mist, but I think I probably should have used more because I can't even really see it very well. Oh, you could kind of see it on this one. Not really, but maybe a thicker glitter spray, or if you just want a like a very simple effect, that looks pretty. So yeah, so I can't wait to get some other colors, and I have some ideas for what to do with these. So I will get back to you guys on that once that actually happens. So that was all I got from Walmart. From Target, I got this tin of sequin shapes, and this one is called, I think, Unicorn Blend. And this was in the regular craft aisle. And this has, oh, sorry for that glare. This has really cute shapes. Let me open this up and show you. See, it's got like rainbows with clouds on the end. Isn't that cute, with like a little heart punched out of it? And then it has clouds. So cute, right? They're pretty good size too. These would be great added to shakers, I think. There's obviously unicorns in the name. And let's see what else. What's that? What is that? Oh, it's like a profile of a unicorn. Really pretty soft colors. I just think this is adorable. I think I had seen this on Scrap Diva 29's channel, if I'm not mistaken. So when I was at Target, I mean, their craft aisle is pretty much wiped out, just like Walmart's. But they did have one of these, which was nice. So anyway, I think that's all the different shapes there are. It's like 3 something. You know me, I'm terrible with remembering prices, but yeah, something like that. So I got that. And then the only other things I got were from Wegmans, of all places. And if you're not from like New York State and some other states on the East Coast, Wegmans is a really great supermarket. And I was food shopping there Sorry, let me just adjust my camera. I was food shopping there, and I went down their seasonal aisle, and they had some paper goods on sale for like $1, and they were 80 to 90% off. So let me show you some of them, and I did make some projects with them. The brand is Sugar Plum Fairy, which I hadn't heard of before, but it looks like a nice like party paper products brand, kind of like Mary Mary. So I got these, let's see, these are 5.5-inch paper straws, and then I got a pack of the large ones as well. And for the cotton candies, like this one, I cut down one of the straws and used that. Just the colors are perfect, right? There's mint and pink with silver. So, oh, so happy to find those. And then I got these are, they call them Cupcake Toppers, but they're toothpicks with little, they're like mesh pom-poms. And I got 2 packs, and I used them in a project. Let me show you what they look like. Just gotta fluff them up a little, but aren't they cute? I just like the pom-pom aspect of them, much less the, or, you know, not really the toothpick part. So let me show you what I had made with those. If you watched a video earlier this week, I made this Memory Decks card box, and I had cut a couple of the pom-poms off the sticks and just glued them onto the box. So yeah, I think these are great. They feel really nice too. Just a different texture than regular yarn pom-poms, you know? So there are those. And I got these paper fans. Everything was $1, which was great. And there are 2 in here. And these are huge. They're 12-inch. So obviously I haven't taken them out yet. So I don't really know. Maybe I'll just use them as decoration in my craft room. Maybe I'll use the paper for something else. I was thinking, I don't know, maybe like somehow I can make rosettes out of them. But they're iridescent paper fans. So, you know, for $1, I figured I'd try something with them. And okay, let me show you another project. I had shown this on Instagram too earlier in the week, but this is a wand that I had made. And let me move these things out of the way, but I had used one of these straws for it, just so you could see a little bit better. Move over. Okay, so this is it, and I'll just, if you'd like a little tour of it, these ice cream, they're coasters in the back, and I think it was either last summer or the summer before, Target in the dollar spot, they have like an ice cream theme going. So I bought these coasters, and these are the last 2 I had, but they're perfect for wands. I also got patriotic ones last year, and I made something out of those, a card, I think. But yeah, so that's what inspired this project, actually, even though I kind of covered them all up. But on this side, you could see them a little bit more. And this sticker is from a pack from the Dollar Tree. And I just wanted to add a little something to the back. But this is the front, and I had made this star with a foam backing a while ago. I don't know what for, but I had it left over, so I just stuck that on there. Also, this heart with the heart cutouts, I don't know if you could see. That's from a die from my stash, which I also, sometimes I cut out things and don't use them for whatever project I'm making. Maybe they just don't look right, so I just have a box full of random ephemera, so I go through that sometimes, and sometimes it works out. So, but I did make this shaker just for this, and this is from a die that I recently got from AliExpress, a citrus slice, but I figured if I made it pink, it wouldn't look so citrusy. I don't really know what it's supposed to be, but, you know, whatever. And I used some sequins from Cartwright. The paper actually is from Cherry on Top by Fancy Pants. And this ephemera, sweet, and the ice cream cones, those are chipboard pieces. Those are both from Cherry on Top from Fancy Pants. And it wasn't glittered, I just added just a line of stickles for the whole thing. Just trace the letters with stickles. And this butterfly I had made a while ago. It's from some iridescent clear vinyl from Hobby Lobby. And this pom-pom I had gotten from Joann's in a summer mix. Tulle, this is from Hobby Lobby. These flowers are from somewhere. Michael's, that's where they're from. And those blings were already on there, but I did add stickles to glitter them up a little bit. For the inside, I just added, is there tape? Like double-sided tape? No, I used my hot glue gun, that's right. Okay, sorry, I forgot. And these trims they're all from one of those pastel packs from Michael's, you know, those big trim bundles that we've all been getting. And they're great. They're 50 yards, you guys. I can't wait to go to my Michael's. I think it's opening tomorrow too, and see if they have different ones. You know, that way you could see in person, because from what I've seen on hauls, that different trims come in different bundles, you know, just randomly. So I want to see what else they have. Actually, this seam binding is from Scrap Cabin, I think it is, on Etsy. They're crinkled seam binding. So yeah, that's my wand. I think it came out super cute. Just gonna keep it in my craft room for now. And yeah, I'm probably going to have a giveaway one of these days, because I just reached 3,000 followers on Instagram. Thank you to everybody who's following me there. I really appreciate it. And thanks to all my viewers here on YouTube. I've been getting more, and it's great. I love it. I love interacting with you guys. Thanks for all the nice comments. I love reading them. I love responding to everybody. So please know that I really appreciate you guys. And yeah, it makes it really enjoyable to interact with everybody. So that's it for today. Like I said, a short haul, but I did have some projects. So hope you enjoyed, and have a wonderful weekend. Please leave me a comment if you would like to, and give me a thumbs up if you'd like the video. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.